baby, here we go.
Hi guys, so we're just going to do a fitting video on the R53, R50, etc. Generation 1 light surrounds. So these are basically made to look like the R56 because obviously on the earlier generation you just got the internal lamp with the chrome round it opposed to a surround. So we printed pretty effective, to be honest. They do look more like the R56 style. So this is without, and the chrome does stand out obviously without the black, but although it's not hiding the chrome, it does take your attention away from it a little bit there. Dead simple installation as always with our stuff. So it's just double-sided tape, clean the exterior, which we'll show you in a minute on a time lapse, and then just apply it on. So it just basically sits just like that. And we'll do a time lapse now, show you how to do it.
An alcohol wipe, and they have this cool little thing that helps you pick up the 3M tape, because some people with short nails do struggle trying to picking it. So it has the alcohol prep pad and then the drying cloth after if you leave any wet residue after that. So we're just going to start with Mackenzie cleaning his outer ring.
Right guys, so we've cleaned all this area up here and obviously got rid of any, you know, old polish, silicone, etc. So when you get the lights, as with anything, don't just peel it off, whack it on your car and then say it doesn't fit right and this, that and the other, because we do get that quite a lot. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a look at it with the tape still attached and you're going to observe the outside. They're obviously packaged up when we send them out and we presume that they're perfect, which that one is. No marks on it anywhere, so we're happy to apply that. So you're going to get it and you're going to feel for where you're going to put it, and you can see there. So if I put it on there, it ain't right there. If I put it on there, it's not right. You've got to get a feel for where it's going to sit on the car. Once you're familiar like that, I can feel and I can see there where it is, then obviously you can proceed to take the tape off. But do make yourself familiar with it and get it to fit right before applying it. So guys, there you can see Kenzie's just put that one on his side on his own. So you can see there a nice equal surround, and if Lauren comes round here, what you'll see is these edges here, when it is in the right position, should line up perfectly. You should barely be able to get the nail around it. Obviously once it's right, if you don't get that right, you'll end up with gaps here and here, so just make sure you're familiar with it first.